You know, I wanted to farm, I wanted to go to work because I saw the opportunity. And since that time, you know, we've gathered millions and millions of dollars worth of property. We own 10 houses. Martha does. She just bought the neighbor out over here. It wouldn't see me, surprised me to see her buy the next one out.
But she still doesn't have that house up on the vineyard, huh?
Yeah, but we still don't have a new one, no. And I remodeled all this year. I dug it out with my crew.
Yeah.
I dug most of this out because there wasn't a basement here. It was just a crawl space. So with buckets and shovels, we dug it all out and hauled it out. Then put a cement floor in with the ceiling in.
When was this house built?
1890 something.
And then you expanded on it, or no?
Well, yeah, I did. I built the family room where the television is.
Yeah.
I built that room on, added that. And then I put a new roof, new foundation. We spent $200,000-300,000 on it.
So,
But it's in pretty good shape now.